All right, folks, today you're looking at stock number 190638, and this is a 2018 GMC 2500 crew cab, and our color is silver. Our interior features include power mirrors, windows, and locks with power folding mirrors, memory seat, premium audio system, power driver seat with power lumbar support. We have our trailer brake, our 4x4 selections, lighting controls. Our steering wheel features forward collision alert. We have a heated steering wheel with cruise control settings. We have hands-free communication as well. And this unit comes equipped with an AM/FM radio. It is satellite radio ready with a CD player that is MP3 compatible. We have USB ports and an auxiliary jack. We also have our dual and electronic climate control, also with heated and cooled front seats. This unit comes equipped with power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp, parking assist, lane keep assist, hill descent control, and a exhaust brake. It's also equipped with OnStar, garage door openers, and our interior color is black. Our exterior features include running boards, 18-inch aluminum rims, mud flaps, rock guard, a tailgate step with rear parking assist, a rear view camera, and a spray-on box liner for all your cargo. Our rear passenger features include power windows, a center armrest and cup holder, and we have a 60/40 split bench seat that folds up for extra cargo space. And there you have it, folks. Stock number 190638. You have just checked out this 2018 GMC 2500 crew cab, and our color is silver.